from the university end. Not the ideal way of handling that ball.
Nice running between the wickets, clipping the pads, not the bat though.
Dismisses that for 4. A bit of West Indian flair to that.
Got it well enough to get it away to the boundary, a poor delivery and a fine shot in the end.
A good contest here at the moment. 4 off the last ball, and it'll be interesting to see how the bowler can respond. That's mistimed. It's gone high. Should be gone. Super catch.
It's the sort of dismissal that sees the momentum swing back to the bowler. Gone, but not for many.
A new batter always likes to feel bat on ball early on, as they bring a bit of energy to the crease.
Yes.
They'd look for a couple here.
Yes.
Thick edge.
Good return, back from the deep.
End of the over. 9 runs coming from it. Guyana are 67 for 3.
Wait there.
Collects that one, simple as you like, inside the ring.
Wait.
Just threw the shot too early.
Yes.
Huge edge.
Keeper's end.
Brilliant bowling. Having got the edge the previous ball, they now know the areas they need to be hitting.
Yep.
There'll be runs here.
And they're away and nicely off the mark.
Yep.
They'll push hard, should get back for 2.
Keeper's end.
Exquisitely down the front foot, a gorgeous looking drive. Could have been worth more. Hit that well off the back foot, but couldn't beat the field.
4 runs added in that over. Guyana are 71 for 3.
Left alone and easily through to the keeper.
Wait on.
Can't get that outside the ring field.
Not a great delivery, got it full and lucky not to be hit to the boundary. No interest in that one from the batter. Lewis will be wanting to hone in on a better line and length to make them play next time.
Wait there. Yep.
A little bit of wobble on that ball and it's safely taken by the keeper. Not enough on it to entice a shot though.
Nice solid defensive shot.
Obviously didn't like the look of that one and just ignored it. Just can't seem to get the ball away. That's the third dot ball.
Guyana weren't given much of an opportunity. A very tidy over. Wow, that's missed the lot.
Misses out there on the short and wide one.
Yes, yes.
Great shot. At least one on offer. Good piece of fielding to stop some runs.
Yep.
Massive edge.
Keeper's in.
A wonderful delivery to get the edge. You've got to keep hammering away at that spot time and again.
Yes.
Well placed. Should get a single.
Got forward well and was able to drive the ball. A lovely shot and good running.
Yep.
Ease through the field. There'll be runs here.
Keepers. Yes. Leave it up there.
Seems slightly odd not just to take the single that was on offer there.
McCoy ends what has been a tidy over. Just needed to top it off with a wicket. McSween back on now.
Is coming into the attack.
Wait there.
Straight to the fielder.
Wait on.
The bat was very late coming down on that.
Ready.
Short and wide, did well to get some bat on that.